Character AI app says to me, sorry, we are done for maintenance right now, so I can't log in properly. If I just tap continue, it just shows me authorize. So yes, this app is kind of, it's a collection of AI chatbots, and you can create your own bots and you can chat with them. It's gained a lot of traction recently. It's in the top charts in US App Store. So yeah, so that's basically what it is. I don't know what to advise you. I just waited actually like 17 minutes to log in because I didn't see any login button. It showed me that you're in a wait list and then in a waiting line or something, and then yeah, it just shows me this. So yeah, probably you just need to wait or try it another day. If you restart the app, you can try that. You can try to restart Wi-Fi. Usually it doesn't help here, but that's what it is. Um, so yeah, if you have any suggestions like how to better cope with it, or maybe just leave it in the comments below, or maybe it's just better to wait until they update their app, so that it can handle so many users.